Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Among all the tropical plants, elephant ears are one of my most favorite. So in a previous video, I showed how I pulled out a couple of my elephant ears and separated the edible parts. Today I'm going to cook some of that. Almost all parts of an elephant ear can be eaten. So today I'm going to cook leaf and stalk. And another video I will show how to cook the taro stems. So the first thing is to clean them up properly. My leaves are a little dark because I put them into the refrigerator. Because this thing can eat, the first thing needs to be done is to boil them in hot water. The stalks are also peeled and then cut into smaller pieces, and also are boiled same way as the leaves are. So that's half a bowl I have there from 3 or 4 stalks. So all of that goes into the boiling water. They should be boiled for 15-20 minutes. And once they are properly boiled and looks a little mushy, the water needs to be taken out by using a strainer. So that's about a couple of onion diced, fried in oil. Once the onion gets a little brown, then we need to put in some of the spices. A little bit of water makes sure that the spices doesn't get burned. Once the spices are appropriately fried, then we need to put in the leaves and stalks from the strainer and mix up the spices properly. That's powdered coconut. So covering it up and cook it in low temperature to make it mushier. At this point, a spoon of sugar, white or brown, either way, a few green chilies, unbroken for flavor, and finally some lemon juice. So this is the recipe that my wife gave me, and she mentioned that it was her mother who used to cook like this. I've never tried this. This will be my first time as well. So that's how it came up. It looks great and it tasted delicious. It was really great. It did itch a bit, very slightly, but I still ate it because it was too good to pass on. Try it out. You'll like it.